Welcome back to Tesla Tech. Today we're going to review the Milwaukee 2848 compact tire inflator on the M18 platform. You're in a rush to get the kids to school and get to work. Last thing you need to do is come outside and find you have a flat tire. Today, with no spare tires in our cars anymore, we have to figure out an alternate way of getting this problem solved in a short amount of time. That's why today we're going to see if the Milwaukee 2848 compact tire inflator is up to the task, how fast it gets it done, and whether you should have one in your Tesla. Let's get started. As you can see here, it fits sideways or lengthwise in the boot of the trunk. There are a lot of tire inflators out in the market right now, but if you have the Milwaukee M18 platform already, this is a no-brainer. Just uses the same M18 batteries that you've already got laying around your garage. But now let's see how fast it works. It comes with the regular screw-on Schrader valve, but you can also buy an optional accessory to add a quick disconnect. So it's simple as just hitting the power button, adjusting the PSI that you want, and hitting the go button. There's also 4 memory slots that you can store different values in there if you have multiple cars. So in our case, I've set it at 42 because that's what Tesla normally uses. In the interest of time, I'll go ahead and speed this footage up 4 times so we don't have to wait. Speaking of waiting, these portable tire inflators, that's most people's gripe with some of the cheap ones, is that it takes forever to pump up a simple tire. Let's see how long this one takes. Down in the comments, tell us how long you think it'll take. Also, if you're finding this video helpful, hit the like button. It helps our channel. And if you want to see future videos like this, consider subscribing to the channel so YouTube can let you know when we post future videos. So in just under 3 minutes, it went from 0 to 42 psi, and it automatically shuts off so you don't have to worry about overinflation. You can power this unit from all of Milwaukee's M18 battery lineup, all the way from the Compact 2.0 all the way to the monstrous 12.0. As you can see, the 36-inch hose wraps back up nicely around the cleat and stores away nice and still. Built into the cleat, there's storage for the inflation nozzle for larger items, a needle for blowing up balls and things of that sort, as well as a Presta valve attachment. For reference, this is a XC 6.0 battery, and I've completely now pumped up 2 tires from flat and topped off all the tires in my pickup truck, and it's still just now losing 1 bar. There are certainly cheaper and smaller inflators on the market, but if you want something with power and you've already got the Milwaukee line of tools in your garage, I'd say this is a no-brainer. You can have this for $175 at Amazon or $179 everywhere else. That's it for this episode of Tesla Tech. Hope you have a wonderful day.